The AprilAire E100 Pro Dehumidifier Bundle is an exceptional solution for removing excess moisture from spaces up to 5,500 square feet. This dehumidifier is recognized for its energy efficiency, removing up to 100 pints of moisture daily while consuming less energy than conventional models. With smart sensing technology, it automatically adjusts to maintain ideal humidity levels, offering convenience and peace of mind. The bundle includes a complete set of accessories, such as a drain hose, 2 filters, and dehumidifier risers, ensuring you have everything needed for seamless operation. Constructed with corrosion-resistant aluminum coils, the dehumidifier promises durability and long-lasting performance. Manufactured in the United States, this product comes with a reassuring 5-year warranty, reflecting the brand's confidence in its quality and reliability.